Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your content distribution with Buffer, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Buffer website. If you don't already have an account, click on the sign up option. Fill in the necessary details to create your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Buffer dashboard. From the main menu, locate the Settings option. Click on Settings to configure your social media accounts. Select Connect your social accounts. Here, you can add various networks such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Follow the prompts to authorize Buffer to access your selected accounts. After connecting your accounts, return to the dashboard. Now, click on the Content tab located at the top of the screen. In this section, you can start creating new posts. To write a post, choose the account you want to publish to from the drop-down menu. Enter your content in the text box provided. You can also add images by clicking the Add Images button. If you wish to include a link, paste it into the designated field. Buffer will automatically generate a preview for the link. Next, decide when you want to publish your post. You can choose to share it immediately or schedule it for a later date. To schedule a post, click on the Schedule Post option. Select the desired date and time from the calendar. Once you are satisfied, click Add to Queue. You can repeat this process for additional posts. To review your scheduled posts, navigate to the Queue section. Here, you can see all upcoming posts and their scheduled times. If you need to edit a post, click on the pencil icon next to it. Make any necessary changes and save them. Finally, take advantage of Buffer's analytics to track your post performance. Click on the Analytics tab to view insights on engagement and reach. Utilizing Buffer effectively will enhance your content distribution strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.